probably feels different because of the adjustments you made, but it's less tail happy, right?
Yeah.
So that's good. Just do everything that you did, just a little less speed on that part. That's 2 seconds right there. Good job. Everything else feel good?
How many cones do you reckon I hit on that motherfucker?
Just one.
Did I?
Yeah, just one.
I felt like I was all over the place.
So I'm not gonna. Don't take any changes now, but I'm telling you, there's some parts you're taking it too tight.
Okay.
Like you're getting too tight, and then it's not setting you up for the next turn. You have to go tight again. So if you know some parts, it's like okay, I got a right and then another right. Yeah. You don't need to hug that first right.
Oh,
okay. Just go around it and set yourself up for that second right.
Yes, sir.
For example, when you come around here and you're going down, you know that double left right here, that little box? Don't hug that first cone so much.
Oh, okay.
Go around it and then flip that last one.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay.
If there's one adjustment, now I'm getting specific on an adjustment. Everything else is good and less speed back there.
I didn't even take off that good.
I'm telling you, hey, as soon as you get in second, put your other hand on the wheel.
Yes, sir. Thank you. That was tough, man. That was really fucking tough. How did I do overall, though? Fuck.
So a little too much speed at the end.
Dude, what did I do here? Oh my, okay.
I'll hold it. I'll hold it.
Oh, fuck. It feels a lot different. It does.
It does.
It does.
It feels better though, doesn't it? You're just going too fast. You're going too fast. Everything else is smooth. You're not sliding like you used to.
I don't feel like the throttle control's smooth either. I think that's why I'm shifting weight around so much.
Well, you might be sloshing fuel and I might be hitting the pickup wrong because that's a lot. That's not that much fuel. So make this one a little smoother. Okay, let's get a solid time.
Did I fuck the course up that bad?
No, just that one cone over there. And you did a good job getting out of there. That was cool. You're like,
dude, the only thing I could have did was probably left foot brake that back into place. That was the only thing I was thinking.
Just go slower. Just ease it up. I know that last straightaway's fast. Just brake a little sooner.
Brake a little sooner?
Brake sooner, get around that turn, and then bang gas it. You're playing catch up the whole time.
Okay. I just want to stay out here all day and just learn the track and have fun, man. Like, if you get 3 runs. 3 fucking runs.
I'll tell you, the car feels better with those adjustments, just sitting in a passenger seat.
Oh, okay.
It does. It feels better. You're a lot more in control. You're hitting it.
How the fuck do you keep your hand on the wheel when this hand's fucking over here?
Well, that's why you do 9 and 3.
Dude,
Yeah.
My car's still pushing.
If you do more than that, okay, then you might have understeer now.
Yeah.
Maybe we got to make that adjustment, go back a little bit.
Or maybe the tires are just not where they need to be.
Maybe. It's on. It's good.
Okay, I was making sure.
You're off.
Oh, man.
Did that scare you?
No. I felt like everything was controlled into that last part.
Yeah.
And I was trying to drive into that fucking, that slide, but it didn't work.